Have you ever worked hours on a part or an assembly only to have a colleague save over your file?
Don't save over that one. No.
Or have you ever wrapped up hours of detailing a drawing only to find that the model references were way out of date? Or we've all been frustrated trying to find the latest save of a file, which you know is just, it's gotta be around here somewhere. All right, you get it. This is why we offer SOLIDWORKS Product Data Management, PDM, secure file vaulting, access control, revision history. So let's assume you get the basics of PDM. Maybe today you're using PDM Standard already. The purpose of this short video is to illustrate the additional benefits of PDM Professional, so you can pinpoint at least 3 reasons why PDM Pro is the only way to go for you and for your team. The first reason is workflow. PDM Standard allows definition of one workflow with a maximum of 10 states. This is great for a simple work in process to release flow. However, we see many teams wanting to capture engineering processes separately. For example, a design and then a change process. With PDM Professional, you can define unlimited and more sophisticated engineering processes. Better yet, if another team wants to use PDM, they will be able to craft their own business processes. For example, a new project proposal and approval. If engineering changes impact other CAD users, Professional also includes other CAD add-ins. For example, maybe another team is using Inventor or Pro Engineer. This is not a problem with our native integration. Speaking of extended staff, what teams do you work with that could benefit from simple access to your engineering data? PDM Professional goes beyond engineering, extending access to procurement, shipping, quality, management, project-related documents like budget spreadsheets, proposal documents. Everything that surrounds the design and new product development process is great to have accessible in the same place as all the CAD data. And with Microsoft Office add-ins, PDM is immediately accessible inside applications like Excel and Word, where, let's face it, most of our business work happens. With PDM Professional, we also offer add-ins for the extended SOLIDWORKS portfolio, such as inspection, electrical, and PCB. Now, engineering is a function rooted in processes, right? So how many of the steps in your day-to-day could be automated? For example, when a new project is kicked off, new folders and new files need to be created. What if there was a way to automatically generate consistent and schematic part numbers to populate every piece of data by default? Now, upon design release, a flurry of activity is necessary, much of which can be automated with PDM Professional, such as exporting DXFs of flat patterns and drawings, printing PDFs of drawings and Office documents, and not just creating files, but storing them where everyone else knows and expects where to find them, and notifying everyone that new documents are ready. It's not that it's hard to create these deliverables, but there's always the risk that I forgot to make a PDF, or I put it in the wrong place, I named it the wrong thing. And as a design is revised, do I have to do that all over again? With PDM Pro, you can even automatically transfer product information to other business intelligence systems, such as ERP, PIM, and as you start automating with PDM out of the box, you'll naturally start asking what else you can do. And the good news is almost anything can be programmed through the API, access to which is only available in Professional. So identify the repetitive tasks in your own workflows. Think about where inconsistencies cause headaches downstream. Save time and get your valuable engineering resources back to what they do best, designing great products. Now, let's talk about your screen time. It seems every day I can do more and more from my phone, so what about mobile access to everything in PDM? Well, with the Web 2 client, a powerful capability available only in Professional, users can access PDM vaults through a web browser. I could be a project manager needing to approve something on the road, or I could be a fabricator in the shop needing to look up drawings or specs for a project. Maybe I'm a contractor that needs limited access to just my part of the project. Quite simply, Web 2 means flexible access, anytime and from anywhere. As PDM installations grow and more teams start to leverage the tools, you're going to want to think about optimal software performance. Today's design teams are all over the globe, so how does each location access, all the files and the product information? Well, even if two teams are working in different offices across the same campus, high network latency can be a bottleneck if everyone connects to the exact same PDM server. Replication is the answer here. Because a complete vault, files, and optionally the database can be regularly copied to each team's local server, replication offers an easy way to handle multi-site coordination challenges. Whether you are already using PDM Standard or no PDM at all, I hope that you heard some significant benefits in how PDM Professional could impact you and your team. We explored the most common reasons our customers upgrade to PDM Professional: easier collaboration, more efficient file sharing, flexible mobile access, and automation of tedious tasks. You can learn more about what it takes to upgrade by having a conversation with your account manager. PDM is sold, trained, and supported by the same partners you get your SOLIDWORKS from today. Implementing PDM Professional can drive your team's focus back to what's most important: designing tomorrow's great products today.